Greetings everyone and welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. My name is Paula. This is my new series called 60-second spells. These are spells that you can do in about a minute and they're very effective. So here we go for the first one. Everybody coming up in the holidays and everything is in need of a little extra money. So all you need to do is go to the kitchen, get you some bay leaves. Get one out. Take your wallet and place it in there. And imagine all the money and the resources that you need coming to you so that your wallet is never without money in it. There you go. That's today's 60-second spell or minute magic. Merry we did meet, merry we will part, until we merry meet again, guys. Be well and blessed be.